Morning, guys. Came through here yesterday and I saw something I hadn't seen in a while. This is Payne's Prairie again, and right off to my left there in that field, I saw a herd of buffalo. Haven't seen a lot of those out in a while. They're here. They keep them over in Payne's Prairie, and I think it's kind of unique because you got all these other things going on down here, all these other animals and all this stuff, and then you see a herd of buffalo off there in Payne's Prairie. One of the things that is concerning me about Florida right now is the python situation down in the Everglades. I really can't express the decimation that those snakes have wreaked on the Everglades. They are wiping out the rabbit population, wiping out the raccoon population, wiping out the possum population, wiping out some of the birds. They're just wiping them out. I mean, they're just eating and breeding and laying and eating and breeding and laying. And these are massive snakes, guys, massive. There is a program here in Florida to where they'll pay you by the foot for those. I haven't researched the whole of it, but the water management in the Everglades, because the Everglades is a World Heritage Site. It's that important. And the water management system, at one time they had a program to where they hired so many hunters to go in there and eradicate those the pythons that are in there. But you're getting, oh my, all different species of interbreeding of snakes where people turn their pets loose. I saw one video they found an anaconda. That's a massive snake. And you go driving down in the Everglades at night and you see these big snakes stretched out across the road, or, trying to get a little warmer. But they're just killing everything down there. And what'll happen is they'll run out of food. And then they'll start migrating as far north as they can. They just keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going, keep adapting. And who knows how far they'll stretch. They're already up into Central Florida. So it's something to think about, guys. If you ever want a pet or you want something, if you can't keep it, don't turn it loose in the wild. Take it to a zoo and donate it. Most zoos will take them. And there's all kinds of rescues that'll take them. Think about that before you ever turn an exotic animal loose in the wild. It's not the wild, because you can have mass destruction on indigenous species. This is Frosty, guys. And that's my chat for the day. Have a good day. I'm out.